Hello, everybody. It's Bugs Bunny here, and today we are going to play a map on Minecraft with my mom. Open up the map. It's on Minecraft. It's called Fnaf free. Okay, so my mom is going to open up the screen. Oh God, that is bad. Okay, so we are here and we are going to start the map. Okay, so Mommy, which one do you want to be? Security guard or Springtrap? The bad guy. Which one? Ow! You want me to be Springtrap, the bad guy?
Sure.
Okay, then go in security guard. Oh! Oh my!
So what do I do?
You're supposed to walk through that and collect the item. And just go. Okay, I can see. Okay, so I'm the bad guy, guys, and I'm gonna have to get my mom. Why can't I? I'm stuck here. Why am I stuck here? This isn't funny. I want to go to my mom. Do I?
Why are you so slow?
I don't know. Mom, this is hard. Mom, can you take me to survival and use the survival? Use game mode S / game mode S. / G A and then space and then S and then A. Okay. It's been a while since I've used this. I can see your name tag, so that's how you know where. My name tag will let you know where I am. I got you!
Now it's Springtrap.
Then I'll have to.
Reset time.
Okay, then I don't know how to go back. I don't know how to go back. Type in /kill. At A. Okay, /kill at A.
I'm not gonna find you.
No, actually, don't type in /kill at A. Where are you? Follow the thing that says yo. It's Jacker 2. Yo, it's Jacker 1.
I see ya.
You do?
Don't give me the sword.
Whoa!
Why are you doing
Ow! Where are you? Oh my God! Ow!
Why would you die?
Oh!
What are you wearing?
Yeah! Mommy, can you type?
Where'd it go?
Just follow the name tag. Oh.
Why is there no light?
Why are you not wearing... Oh, there you are. Put your lights
Why
out.
are you doing it? Sorry.
Type in /kill at A.
I can't see anything.
Type in /kill at A. Because there's no lights in this. And how do you not have your... And how do you not... Mommy? How do you not have the things? Are you? How did I... Oh.
They can't. He's gonna get away.
Okay, did you spawn here?
What's your thing?
Then come to me.
Yeah.
Why not? Type in /kill.
They kill you.
No, it'll kill you only.
I don't want to kill myself.
So you can respawn and we can start this map from the beginning.
Come find me. Do you have your sword?
No, because I died and I respawned at the beginning of the map. So come here. Mommy?
We can start the map from the beginning. Just type in /kill. She said that.
Put it on?
No, you can't. Just place it back.
Oh.
No. Just come to me.
I just /kill. And stop wearing it. No, take it off your head. Okay,
You didn't even know. Come here.
you have to take.
No, I don't want to. I just want you to type in /kill so I can see. I'll see if you type in /kill. Okay?
No, then I'll lose
Type
it.
in No, you won't. You killed me and I didn't lose my stuff. I just put it back in the chest, okay? I put my stuff back in the chest, Mom.
Whoa,
put
what
my-
happened?
I just put my stuff.
What happened?
I don't know. You just have to.
No!
Yes, Mom! You have to! Because I killed myself and I didn't lose my stuff. Then type in /kill, you won't lose your stuff. Because keep inventory is on, so when you die, you do not lose your stuff.
Fine.
You just type in /kill. You forgot this.
He's next
To the axe, and it's
Okay, no, you just have to type in that. No, don't do it. No,
don't do it.
Hello.
Stop!
Alright. Where's everything? Hey.
Wow. No! Oh, guys, it's my turn!
Do you want to see the, I want to see myself.
How do I look? Okay, Mom, just take all the stuff. Right now,
Why do I look like a leprechaun?
Because that's what Springtrap looks like. Okay, I'm just gonna press this.
Let me see.
No. I'm hiding. Oh. Well, good thing I'm hiding, guys, right now. Guys. Okay.
Don't! No, I see you. How are you hiding? How did you get there?
Oh, crap.
I'm sorry.
I walked. Break the glass. And next time you go into that camp room, click on the gray gold. And go for fine. Oh. That's nowhere near me. Oh. Oh no, there's. I think. There's a camera here, and you're not in it. Yeah, you're nowhere near my room.
That is not the only one.
You tapped at me!
Oh my god!
Die! You tap on me when I'm close to you. Yeah. Come back. I didn't suck kill.
No.
Okay, guys, this has been fun, but I got it. But, yeah, I gotta go. Bye.